This Monday evening, I would like to share with you, viewers, that we are witnessing a kind of politics that we all must collectively as a nation now begin to worry about. Rahul Gandhi must understand that politics cannot be divisive to this point. Today, Rahul Gandhi has declared that 17% of the population of the state of Karnataka is not Hindu, swooping down to try and win the election on the basis of God knows whose advice. Rahul Gandhi has announced that 20 to 25 million Lingayats in Karnataka are not Hindu. So Rahul Gandhi has brought down the Hindu population in India by about 2%. I don't know what kind of politics this is. Who the hell is Rahul Gandhi to decide before an election who is Hindu and who is not? And let's ask Rahul Gandhi straight today. And let him ask Sonia Gandhi that if a Christian sect decides it is not Christian and petitions him, will Rahul Gandhi say with as much ease that they are to be treated as a sub-minority and not Christians? Or will Rahul Gandhi go scampering off with a letter to the Vatican and to Rome for approval? What is Rahul Gandhi doing? How can he decide that 2% of the population of India is not Hindu? Where's the logic, and why before an election? Last week, Rahul Gandhi declared an extreme right-winger who made a national mark by dragging women, slapping women and beating women who go to pubs as an innocent and decent man. How dare Rahul Gandhi do that? What evidence against Mutalik was there? The fact is that Rahul Gandhi ensured that the evidence against Mutalik was smudged, that the video evidence was hidden. And people across India were shocked as Rahul Gandhi declared that goon a good and decent man. But this, what is done today, is going too far. And we cannot be quiet anymore, viewers. We cannot be quiet. If dividing Hindus is a new form of politics, and I'm going to say it straight, if breaking up religions or trying to break up the Hindu religion is the new form of politics of Rahul Gandhi, then we are taking chances with the very fabric of this great nation of ours. It's not about Hindus or Muslims. If you start dividing Hindus today, you will divide Muslims tomorrow. You will divide Christians next. And the lowest form of politics in this country ever is debate number 1. Debate number 2 at 10 o'clock this evening. 2019, I have no doubt about it, is entirely about Narendra Modi. But beyond Modi, what else is it about? That's debate number 2. And here are the headlines this Monday evening on the Debate Tonight. 4 days after calling Mutalik a decent man, Rahul Gandhi plays the sectarian card to divide the Hindu community. Rahul Gandhi says that 17 million Lingayats are not Hindus anymore, announces a new religion distinct from the Hindu faith. As Rahul Gandhi breaks up the Hindu faith, clashes break out in Karnataka. The BJP tells the Congress party, you will not be forgiven for this. Divided on issues but united on the target for the opposition 2019 now, all about Modi. And KCR means Mamta, Naidu competes with Jagan, but they all know it comes down to Modi. And the opposition officially adopts Raj Thakre's Modi Mukt Bharat as the slogan. Full and frontal attack hits Indian politics. Ladies and gentlemen, the Hindu card discovered in Gujarat could not save the Congress in the last election they lost. But 4 days after letting off Mutalik and just a few weeks before Karnataka goes to the elections, Rahul Gandhi has pulled out the open sectarian card. Rahul Gandhi has shocked India by saying that 17 million Lingayats are not Hindus and officially will not be Hindus anymore. A new religion has been born. Dividing or recognizing sects or religions before elections, ladies and gentlemen, is not a bad political move. It is an extremely dangerous political move. Let's debate.
On the debate, the Congress has divided Hindus. The Hindu card flopped in Gujarat. But that hasn't stopped the Congress from repeating the stunt in Karnataka. Charges against Mutalik dropped, and 4 days later, carving out a new religion to divide Hindus.
No, I'm not briefing. It is only Jai Chandra will brief.
So they're calling.
One side, can't understand. Jai Chandra will brief the decisions of the cabinet. You please go to his meeting.
Why take this decision only before the elections?
No, it is not before the elections. It is about a year back. We have constituted a committee and they gave the report, and the National Commission, the State Minority Commission has given a report also.
Hours after this dangerous political move, these visuals exposing a complete breakdown of law and order in Karnataka. Still recovering from an embarrassing loss in Gujarat, open sectarian card has even the Congress divided.
President Rahul Gandhi calls for One India. His party here in Karnataka has just recommended a separate religion status for Lingaites and Veerashaivas. This keeping the upcoming elections in mind to appease a community that comprises of over 17% of the state's voting population.
Isn't dividing or recognizing sects or religions before elections dangerous? Can we allow it? Let's debate.
We should not mince our words today. The fact is, as I welcome Sambit Patra of the BJP, Malavik Avinash, actor and activist, leans to the BJP, Smita Prakash, editor of ANI, Rahul Ishwar, John Dayal, Tanveer Ahmed of the JDS, and Professor Nageshwar leans to the Congress, political analyst, strongly anti-BJP. And Sabha should be joining us in some time. John, you know, when I grew up studying in Christian schools across India, I couldn't go down with a magnifying glass and say, was this a Jesuit school? Was this an Irish Brothers school? Was this a Patrician Brothers school? And if tomorrow someone were to say, because you are heading the Catholic group, the question is, I went to school growing up in Christian schools, and I'm saying this to all the panelists today, I went to Christian schools as a Hindu. And I was never aware if it was a Protestant group, a Catholic group, a Jacobian group, an Irish Brothers group, or a Jesuit group. Because we were told, don't divide. In fact, we never even realized what is a Hindu, who is a Christian, or a Muslim in a Christian school. But this new politics, at one point today, has to stop. Because tomorrow, if a sect of Christians come out and say, you know, we're not Christians. Let me tell you, John, there will be many politicians who will come and peck at that and say, oh, you don't want to be Christians? Good. We will give you sub-minority status. And like Rahul Gandhi is saying today, that we are going to give beyond Christians and Muslims separate quotas for Lingaites as a different minority. There'll be a lot of people who will do that with Christians. I'll tell you, Sabha, there'll be a lot of people who will go and say, you know, you are not Muslims. This group should not be classified as this Muslim. We'll divide this Muslim from that Muslim, this Buddhist from that Buddhist, because there are sects and groups and divides and perspectives and philosophies within all religions.
So as far as
the point is,
so
Sabha, 1 minute. Point is, what kind of politics is this?
Speak first.
What kind of politics is this? To divide a religion? And I'll say Hindus are the majority community and they are fair game and free game to politicians. Fair game and free game. to politicians. You wouldn't do it with other faiths.
Should I?
You would not do it with other faiths. Not that you should not do it with other faiths, but you would not do it with other faiths. Hindus are a majority community. Hindus are a majority community. They are fair and free game.
Came on a Hindutva card.
So,
Repeatedly,
Arnab,
the party has
now
said
I have
we don't need.
No,
Why?
let's get
You
John
tell me
first
what
and Sabha.
happened.
After John, I'll come to you
And I was
because
happy
let
you
John open up
entered
and then
a
you come in.
Christian school and you came out a Christian school without being converted. Precisely what we have been telling you all these years. Schools are for education, they're not for conversion. But my dear friend, governments don't recognize people. People
Come
decide
on.
what they want to do.
The
That
last
is why
resort. Break up.
Protestantism was born. Come on, where? Come on,
Divide
where?
Hindus.
You think you require government permission to form a political party?
You divide
Or
a
to form
community.
religion? Look at the
You will lead to
Constitution.
clashes. You'll put Indian against
You are not
Indian,
dividing
Hindu
the
versus
community.
Hindu.
If the
You'll do
community
everything
splits,
possible. Remember it
if a
weeks before an
political party
election.
splits, who
And you
are
waited, and you
Who
waited
are
and
you?
waited. You forgot
Who
the
are
Mandal
you
Commission agitation.
to decide what religion will be. Who are you?
Well, who is Rahul
Who are
Gandhi to
you
decide who's a Hindu and who's
as an
not?
anchor,
Who is
you
Rahul
as
Gandhi
a
to
government
decide who is a Hindu
decide
and who is not?
what
Who is
people
Rahul Gandhi
want?
to break up
If
the
the
Hindu
Jains
religion?
want
Who is Rahul Gandhi
minority
to
status,
divide Hindu
that
against
is it.
Hindu? Who
If
is
the
Rahul
Jains
Gandhi to
don't
divide
want,
the Hindu
that
religion?
is it.
Who is he?
If
Who is he?
people
Who is he?
decide,
Which?
the
Let's have a
people
philosophical discussion
What
on
you
Hinduism.
talk.
What does Rahul Gandhi know about Hinduism and what does he
That is
not?
about philosophical discussion. Who
What does he
decides?
not?
Are you
And
possible?
in
The
any case,
wisdom
we can have a
of
discussion
saying
on that. I'd be happy.
Who
I want to interview Rahul Gandhi. I want to have a discussion on the essence of Hinduism. And I want to ask Rahul Gandhi, what do you know about the essence of Hinduism, the Hindu faith, the Vedic
want to
philosophy, or
interview
any
you.
other philosophy?
I want to
And
interview
why
you.
do you discover
How
it
you
6
come-
weeks before a damn election?
How do you
At
come
least
to
no
that
Mahatma
bizarre-
There has to be a point where you stop.
At least
Yesterday you
no
said-
Mahatma Gandhi.
Rahul Ishwar is on the debate.
There is a point where you stop. It's called the Constitution of
Just
India.
one line.
Unbelievable.
86 years earlier.
Unbelievable.
86 years earlier, the father of nations said,
Unbelievable.
I am ready to
Unbelievable.
die,
Who are you to
not let
decide?
the Hindus be
Where will
divided.
India go? Who
Gandhiji
are-
went
who are
on
you to
record to
decide?
say,
Who
1932,
will you decide?
Yerwada jail, I am ready
How
to
will you
die, but I
decide
will not let
whether I
Hindus
want
be
to be a
divided.
Catholic
I am
or I
shocked
don't
and
want to be?
pained
I
that
don't give you
Rahul
that
Gandhi
right.
forgot
I don't
Mahatma
give you that
Gandhi.
right.
Rahul Gandhi forgot the father of nation. And Congress
let
party
him
is on a
forget,
wrong
but I
path of
don't
dividing
give you
Hindus.
the right to
Mahatma
decide
Gandhi went
what I will
to
decide.
went to
What
the
I
fast and
decide,
satyagraha
my right.
against a
You
British
decide
strategy
your
of
right.
divide and rule.
You decide
And
where
let
you
me
want
be
to be.
very
You want to be in the
humble in
lap
saying
of
this.
the BJP?
This is
Go
just
sit
like the
there.
British strategy.
This is just
The
crazy.
British wanted
This is unbelievable.
to divide
I have never seen this level of politics today. And I put this to the test viewers. We have not come to 2018 to allow our country to be divided to this level. And you must not support it, because remember this as you do to other religions, somebody will try to do to yours. And I say today, I put it straight today, what kind of secularism is this? What kind of secularism is this?
Precisely.
Is this what we bring it down to? Well, precisely I ask you today, John Dayal. John Dayal, be reasonable. John Dayal, be reasonable. John Dayal, be reasonable today. Be reasonable. Be reasonable. Sambit is on the debate, but I ask you one question, John Dayal. John Dayal, remember one thing. Remember one thing, John. John, remember one thing. John, remember one thing. John, remember one thing. John, remember. And Sambit has to speak. Take a break. Take a break.
Remember,
Let another voice come in.
against the Pope.
You know
Luther
something, John.
rebelled
Before
against the
Sambit comes in, I will ask you a question.
Allow us to speak
John,
also,
one minute.
Sambit is a politician.
One minute.
He's a surgeon.
One minute. John,
So you are what?
John,
You
listen.
are a
1 second.
pontiff.
John, 1
You are a
second.
pontiff or
1
what?
second. 1 second. And John, listen to me. Don't encourage this. You asked me,
listening.
you asked 1 second, John. John, understand one thing. We've seen this country, we've grown up in this country too.
You ask, you
1
don't
second,
speak
John.
with gesture.
John, do not. John, listen, you're senior to me. But if you don't let me complete a sentence, it's not fair. We grew up in this country too. We saw through our teens, Mandal. We saw when we were teenagers, Babri. We saw divisions. We don't fool ourselves. We don't forget the fight between Devilal and VP Singh. We are not fools. We knew that they fought. And we suffered.
massacre of the Sikhs.
Mandal Commission,
Or
the
the
sectarian
massacre
and
of the
caste
Sikhs.
politics was
You
born
once
out of the political
showed up
desperation of an
it.
individual.
Why
I'm
did
saying
you
today,
massacre the
will you
Sikhs?
tolerate it today? The Hindu
did you
community,
massacre
the Hindu community, the Hindu religion is not to be dismantled and assembled like a Lego house. You feel before an election, I dismantle
Like
it.
the Pune Pact?
No, John, you have to let me complete my sentence, okay? Don't heckle me, John. Please wait a minute, right? I will say one thing, I'll let you people take it on. But I'm asking you today, the Hindu religion the Hindu community cannot be treated like a religion that can be dismantled and assembled before and after elections like a Lego house. Because you got to understand today, if tomorrow, for example, the United Evangelical Lutheran Churches of India say we are not Christians, we want a separate religion, and politicians say we will give you favors if you break away from the Christian religion, and will you tolerate it if the Anglican Church of India is declared to be a religion of its own? Will you? So why belittle the sentiment?
So be it. If
So
the
be
people
it.
so want, so be it. The people voted for Modi. So be it.
So why are you bringing your politics into it? Yeah, what are you doing?
To give us all these lectures on Hinduism.
Sambit is on the debate. Sambit is on the debate.
From John Dayal,
So be
please.
it. So be it.
Yeah. Please allow me to speak. Please. No, first, as far as the Congress party is concerned, let me tell you, the division politics, the politics of divisiveness, the politics of division is ingrained into the genes of Congress party. Nehru divided this country because he could become the prime minister. Indira Gandhi imposed emergency so that she could continue in power. And today Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi are doing what they are doing, dividing this country on various grounds so that in the future Mr. Rahul Gandhi has some political fortune, he has some political future which he is lacking at all. For Mr. Rahul Gandhi, I would say, बदलते हुए मौसम का बदलता हुआ परवाना हूं मैं, बदलते हुए मौसम का बदलता हुआ परवाना हूं मैं, गुजरात में जनेऊधारी हिंदू तो यूपी बिहार में मौलाना हूं मैं. And let me tell you, Sabha, as far as this, Sabha, just a second, this is a very sensitive issue. I am pained that the Vishweshwara community, the Vishweshwara philosophy, which was a universal philosophy, which was for everyone in this country, for the first time it has been divided. It was for everyone. Sabha, this is a very sensitive issue. It was a philosophy for people from all walks of life. How dare you divide that philosophy? How dare you divide that philosophy? Secondly, as far as the Veer Saivas and the Lingayats
how can
are concerned,
somebody divide?
my friend
So,
Malvika is present
answer
over
you?
here. She will reiterate to say.
How can, have you read
Sambit
Patra? Have you read the works? Have you read the works of the late Dr. M.M. Kalburgi? Have you read? Have you read M.M. Kalburgi?
No, why should I read? No, why should I read? Why should I read Kalburgi? First and foremost, I have read the cabinet decision. The cabinet decision.
You are giving lectures.
Sabha,
you are giving lectures.
No, Sabha,
read the works of M.M.
what is the Sabha philosophy?
Understand,
tell me what
he
is
was
the,
a vice chancellor of a university
Sunnis are not
in
Muslims.
Hampi.
Will you
He
listen?
was a Lingayat.
No, if I say Sunnis
No,
are
I'm
not
giving you some
Muslims,
information.
will you listen
I don't
to me?
care.
Will you listen to me? Similarly, no, I don't want to listen to Sabha on Vasabha philosophy. She is the last person who is to preach the Hindus on Vasabha philosophy. Who is she to preach me on Vasabha philosophy? Who is she to preach me on Vedas? Who is she to preach me on Gita?
I don't
With
care.
all due respect,
Don't
care?
put these
You don't
flawed
care about
arguments
the
on
Vedas
me.
and the Gita?
I don't care.
Who are you not
if
to care
people
about
want
the
to
Vedas
be
and the Gita?
separate from Islam,
Sabha,
it doesn't
you don't
bother
care
me.
about the
Sabha, 1 minute. Sambit, please, for God's sake, can I come in between on this debate tonight? I just want to say this. Unite, don't divide anymore. Don't do this, Sabha. Understand, Sabha, you know the fact. Sabha, there are two ways we can argue this, and I want to argue with you as well. Sabha.
You'll get more votes in Karnataka.
No, you're not listening.
You read on what M.M. Kalburgi wrote.
No, you're not
He
listening.
was an intellectual doyen. Remember his tradition.
No, who are you to question
I'm saying you
Vasava's
said to
philosophy?
Muslims. I don't care about Muslims.
Vasava's philosophy is one of the most integral philosophy of this country. Why are you dividing this philosophy? Why are you shouting?
He became a Buddhist. I belong to that tradition. If I want to, tomorrow
you can become a Buddhist. No one is stopping you from becoming a Buddhist.
If I want to, I'll become a Buddhist.
No, you become Hare Rama Hare Krishna.
Nobody can
Despite
give me
triple talaq and despite polygamy and halala, people like you cannot still shun Islam. You should leave Islam and become a Buddhist. You should follow in the path of Ambedkar.
My question is,
you have triple talaq. Sambit,
hear me. Sambit, hear me. Sambit, 1 minute. Sabah, as you come in, I want to get Malavika into the debate as well, and I wish to just make one point, Tanveer, 1 point. 1 point. I am making 1 point. I am making 1 point, Tanveer, hear me 1 minute, please, for God's sake. Tanveer, will you listen to me? I want to give you a perspective on this.
Somebody who said kalabeda, kolabeda, usiya nudiyalu beda, tanna barnasabeda, idara haliyalu beda, ide antaranga shuddhi, ide bahiranga shuddhi, ide kudala sangama devaru nudiso pari. I think Sambit needs to really understand what is
Malavika debating with us.
Spare the bachanas.
Please. Malavika,
can we spare the bachanas? I think we all know bachanas here. Please spare the bachanas. Cut the rhetoric. Let's get to the point.
Malavika, everybody, you can't really say.
You can't break a religion.
Baswana belongs only to Hindus. Don't say that.
You can't break a religion. You can't play with sentiment like this. You can't do this. You can't do this. You can't do this. Tanveer. 1 minute now, Tanveer. Now hear me, Tanveer. The matter is serious. What this form of politics will be up for debate at a national level. And I want to tell you something, Tanveer. Listen to me, Tanveer. I'm telling you, listen to me now. Listen to me now. For 30 seconds, Tanveer, please stop shouting and listen to me. People are watching this, Tanveer. People are watching this, and I want you to be quiet for a minute. I'm saying one. No, you can't do this. Tanveer, I'll tell you. Don't go down that slippery slope, my friend. Don't go this. No. 1 second. Can I say one thing, Malavika, before you come in? Before you come in, I want to go back to the debate. Now you see, 1 second. 1 second. Tanveer, please, I beg you. I have been on debates, and I'm telling you this today. I will just make 2 points to you, and then Malavika can respond. Tanveer, there are faiths, religions, philosophers, thinkers within the ambit of the Hindu religion. Nobody thrusts it on someone that you are Hindu and you are not. But Tanveer, please understand. I'll just tell you one thing. I come from the state of Assam, as you know. And I'm saying this to all the panelists. In Assam, see the history of 15th and 16th century Assam. And you will find the reference to Shankar Dev, who is spoken of as Shankar Dev, a great poet, philosopher, religious figure, leader. And till today, he is revered across Assam and Assamese tradition. But I would not say today that whether or not I am a Shankar Dev follower, I will not let one Assamese be divided from another Assamese on the basis of saying tomorrow that Shankar Dev followers should not be seen as Hindus. Their practices may fall under the ambit of Hinduism or not. But if anyone today comes and tries to do that form of politics where he comes to Assam and he says, are Shankar Dev followers one part of Hindus, another part of Hindus? I say today there are other issues in. I am saying, Sabah, don't interfere without knowing the facts. What I'm talking about, don't argue for the sake of arguing, Sabah. These are deep issues. These are about legacies, religions, traditions, and faiths. 1 minute. Just as I say today, I will say one sentence today. I will finish my sentence and then you come in. Tanveer, I'll tell you one more thing, and then Malavika can come in. Ahmadiyas are Muslims, Sufis are Muslims, Quranists are Muslims, Sunnis are Muslims, Bohras are Muslims, Shias are Muslims, Khojas are Muslims. It is not for me. It is not for me to say who is a true Muslim and who is not. And if politicians begin to get into these issues, I assure you, there is no end to it. Don't let the politicians in. This is not the politics politics this country deserves. What is Rahul Gandhi doing? Malavika, I give up. This is, you can't do this. You can't play games with religion like this.
I agree with you.
You can't play games with religion like this. You can't. You can't denigrate religions, divide religions, use religions. You can't. I put this question to everyone today. Let them vote. We are right or wrong. How are you justifying it? John, before an election, Malavika, that also a few weeks before an election in a blatant way like this?
Offended in this manner.
May I speak?
Listen.
Yes. May I speak, please?
Mr. Modi came riding.
I'll just take 2 minutes. I've heard
what
everyone.
Modi in this year?
UP elections were people.
Let Malavika speak.
Sir.
What? Why? This is unbelievable, viewers. Yeah, please, Malavika. Please, Malavika.
Go ahead, Malavika. Let Malavika say.
Yeah, here people also.
Our party also divided.
Thanks,
in the name of
Tanvir.
religion.
Thanks.
Please go ahead, Malavika.
Tanvir, I don't need any sermons from you. Thank you very much. I think one needs to understand whether Rahul Gandhi and Siddaramaiah want to follow the tried and tested Macaulay's divide and rule or JNU's mantra, Bharat Tere Tukde Honge. This is what the country and the state that is going to face election in a few weeks has come
Talk
to.
about Baswanna and Veerashaiva and Lingayats.
Oh, please, yeah,
Let me
please
begin
don't
by
do
saying
this.
that it's not just
Baswanna,
dividing
please.
the Hindus.
Talk about that.
Tanvir, I've heard you.
No,
I've heard you.
RSS
I know
was
a little
always
more
against
about Baswanna
Veerashaiva.
than you do, I
no,
presume.
that was not RSS against Veerashaivas. Oh, I'm sorry. I
What
also
are you
know.
doing?
Please,
What are you doing?
Please don't claim
Will you
that
please let me
that
speak?
is the problem.
What
you
are you
claim
doing?
Baswanna belongs to Hindus. No. You. That is your problem. You think Baswanna belongs to Hindus.
What
That
are
is
you
your
doing?
problem.
All
That is
right,
the problem of
all
BJP
right, you
and
know
Congress.
Baswanna the most. Now
That
may I
is
speak?
exactly the problem in this country. Yeah, please speak. Don't claim. Don't claim. You can. You may.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Goswami. You need to understand that this is division within division. It's a sinister plan of Siddaramaiah. It's not just dividing Lingayats from the Hindus. It is dividing Lingayats themselves. There are two groups within the Lingayats and the Veerashaivas. And they have multiple differences among themselves, none of which have been resolved. There are multiple voices from within the community. It is for the community to resolve all of those differences and then ask for a separate religion, if any. And then we'll have to see if there is such a demand. But no, Siddaramaiah allows those differences within the community to simmer between the Lingayats and the Veerashaivas and brings about this recommendation. And how? Weeks before elections, he sets up a committee in December of Justice Nagmohan Das, who's supposed to deliberate for 6 months, and in less than 6 months, he's got the report today, and he decides to go public with the report. Who are the members of that committee? It was a 7-member committee. All the 7 members felt that Lingayat should be a separate religion, much before they deliberated, which means all of them were biased well in advance. Now, this is the situation, and one will have to ask Siddaramaiah whether it is separate religion or minority status, because they have made the proclamation under the Karnataka State Minority Act 1994, and that act does not provide for the commission to make such recommendations. It only allows the commission to protect the rights of the minorities, which are already recognized by the constitution. So where from is he allowing the separate religion status from? Who is giving him the mandate to do so?
No,
all of this is ahead of elections to deflect from the crumbling infrastructure in Bengaluru, the burning lakes here, the lawlessness here.
No.
All of this.
No. I want Smita to come in, and Sabha, you can respond after my point is made. You know, today you want tolerance. This is a baseless. Today, the question before the entire country is this: that today, you know, John, you must listen also, and you must understand this is playing with sensitivities of people. Today, if the Baptist Union of North India, which is a congregation of churches and institutions, I'm taking a hypothetical, I'm coming to you, Nageshwar. It says that we must be treated as a separate religion. Tomorrow, if the Baptist Church of Mizoram was suddenly declared a sect on its own separate... I am questioning
I am not with the Congress on this issue.
Nageshwar. My question is simple. I asked this question to you and to Smita. To you and Smita. Let Smita come in and then you can respond.
Very bad politics.
You
No,
know
but
one.
Yediyurappa also defended
May I
the Lingayats.
just
I am
come in?
not interested.
Look, identity cause.
No,
Let
I
the
am saying
BJP
today.
expel Yediyurappa
My
first.
question is.
No, this
Why?
politics is played by everyone.
Nageshwar, can I please? Thank you. Sabha and Smita, my question is, why deny a Hindu, the right to question the segregation of his religion? You would not. Today, if you were to segregate the Sikhs, one second, just one point. If you were to segregate the Sikhs, if you were to segregate the Muslim community, if you were to segregate the Christian community, would you do it without a larger discussion involving all members so that sensitivities of other members of the community are not trodden on? If you wouldn't do it with Christians, Sikhs, Muslims, any other community, why would you do it with the Hindu community? You must look at sensitivities on all sides, right, Smita?
Look, or no, like you said that you wear the hat of a journalist and of Assam. Similarly, I come to this debate as a journalist, but whose origins are from Karnataka state. We grew up with Lingayats intermarrying, going to the same temples, having the same kind of customs and traditions. We were one. You know, what happened was that it was in the 80s that it became a political movement. You know, Lingayatism, it was a bhakti cult. It was not aimed at breaking away from the Hindu sect.
Exactly.
It was not a rebellion. It is the political parties which have made it into a political rebellion. It is the political parties which are interfering and sowing seeds of conflict within the Veera Shaivas and within the Lingayats. We have intermarried, we have gone to the same temples, we have the same customs and traditions as Lingayats and the rest of Karnataka. I mean, I speak Kannada, we've read Basavacharya, we've grown up with Basavanna. So I cannot understand that Basavacharya's traditions. It's like somebody turning around and saying, don't go to Golden Temple because that is for the Sikhs. Don't chant Buddhist hymns because that is for the Buddhists. We have grown up in this plural secular culture in this country, and now you start dividing on the basis of sects. There is no end to this when political machinations of this kind.
Exactly.
And as rightly pointed out, that you don't just take a decision to make another religion within months or weeks. It takes ages to decide on something like this. Even, I mean, we've already gone through partition in Pakistan.
How?
We know what happened. We know the
This
pain
is so
of,
shameful. So
creating
shameful.
countries with religion. For no reason should this kind of decision be taken on a sudden impulse.
And
Just
Smita,
yesterday Rahul Gandhi was talking about how he goes to different temples, churches and everything. And now within 24 hours of that speech, this decision is taken.
No, the amazing thing is, and Sabha,
No,
you know,
I'm sorry, it's not been going
Sabha,
on
let me
for
tell you,
years.
as you are well aware, and I don't need to
Within months,
re-emphasize this
decision has
fact.
been taken.
I'm coming in and you will counter 1 minute. The reason I don't need to re-emphasize the fact is for a simple reason. And I will say it. The greatness of the Hindu religion is that through the years and through the centuries, it has been able to bring forward colossal figures who have transformed every social and religious part of the Hindu religion. I gave the example of Mahapurush Hankardev from Assam because 300 years later he did something similar. Every time the Hindu religion has been through a dark phase, there has been a strong reformist movement from within. Just like there were Protestants and Calvinists and others and Lutherans, and there are... 1 minute! You would not dare say today... No. You would not dare say or encourage the bifurcation of a religion. These are all movements from within the Hindu religion. These are all movements from within the Hindu religion to reform the Hindu religion and take it to greater greatness. When politicians begin to poke their nose into it, and can Rahul Gandhi say that Basavaraja said... No, on what basis are you dividing the religion today?
About various plural traditions.
Then how is this secular? Why don't you debate with Sambit or Malavika?
In India, I have written on Bhakti, Sufi, all of this. Arnab, I have a book out on this. So this is not a subject that's alien
Ma'am, we respect your understanding of Hinduism.
That the timing
but the issue here is very different. This is politicization for the sake of votes. Ma'am, this is very different. This is not some larger philosophical debate. You have to understand, Siddaramaiah had 5 years. What was he doing? Was there no issue 5 years ago?
Over my head, madam. I was asked, let me finish my
Nobody is denying the demand. But what is the time taken to deliberate? How can he decide in 2 months?
We agree then.
No, ma'am, I'm not denying your understanding of Hinduism. That's not the point here. The point here of politicization. And only for the sake of elections and nothing else. Siddaramaiah had 5 full years. What was he doing?
Okay, now can I finish?
This
we
is.
are not countering, madam. You don't have to shout at me.
No, she's making a point affirmatively.
I disagree with the timing, but.
That's because, ma'am, you won't listen to others. You keep speaking.
But it's not something that's been imposed from the top. But this demand has been there for long. I have actually read Kalburgi. I may be the only person.
Have you read the Constitution?
I don't know that. I have taken the trouble to read all this stuff.
Sabha, have you read the Constitution?
Yeah.
Have you read the Constitution? I'm straight with you today. The Constitution, one second. I'm sorry. I put a basic question today. And if Smita wants to come in, she can. I'm saying the Constitution does not provide for it. The Constitution speaks a lot about religion. The preamble says we are secular. Where does it mention whipping up a religion before elections? You tell me that the founding fathers of this country would be delighted that before every religion you would divide the Hindu religion more. You would break the Hindu religion one more time before every state election. I'm saying where under Article 25 is this allowed? Where under Article 26 is this allowed? Show me one article, one clause, one subclause in the Constitution which says there is a right to declare an election of religion before an election. Show me one subclause. Rahul, show me one clause in this Constitution which is also mine.
No, please talk about social movement.
Please read Supreme Court verdict.
If you really want to have an honest argument.
Please read Supreme Court verdict on who is a Hindu. Please read Supreme Court verdict on who is a Hindu. Brahmachari Siddheshwar Sai versus State of West Bengal. Supreme Court has carefully considered this. Please remember Brahmachari Siddheshwar Sai versus State of West Bengal. Supreme Court of India. Supreme Court of India 1995 has decided on this, and Supreme Court said this kind of separatism is not allowed. Supreme Court 1995 said Hindu is a way of life that can include everyone. Please read Supreme Court verdict 1995, Brahmachari Siddheshwar Sai versus State of West Bengal. They also wanted separate status. They also wanted minority status.
You don't have the power.
Approved it, but Supreme Court turned it down and said that Hindu is a way of life. Please respect Supreme Court verdict at least 1995, as recent as 1995. And please remember Mahatma Gandhi when he said, I am ready to die, but I won't let Hindus be divided in 1932 by communal award.
And you keep quoting Mahatma Gandhi. You keep quoting Mahatma Gandhi. Let me tell you the history of India in the 1930s. You're free to come in. I'll tell you the history of India in the 1930s. You are going against what Mahatma Gandhi wanted for this nation. Sabha, in 1935, the then Prime Minister MacDonald announced his communal award, not just for Sikhs, Indian Christians, Anglo-Indians, Europeans and distinct regional groups, but also depressed classes. And it was the Congress party that opposed it. And Mahatma Gandhi undertook a fast to death against that order because he said, I want all the classes to remain within the Hindu fold. And you are going against Mahatma Gandhi today. What kind of politics is this? What kind of politics is this? What are you saying? You take delight in the fact, John, that the Hindu religion is being divided by Rahul Gandhi. You are taking delight? You are taking delight? That Sonia and Rahul want to break the Hindu religion?
Hunger strike.
I am asking you today, I'll tell you simply. I am asking one question simply. Viewers, answer my question. My question is this. I want to know that if anyone would dare divide the Christian community, would Sonia Gandhi be quiet about it?
Go ahead and do it.
Would she be quiet about it?
Go ahead and do it.
What do you mean go ahead and do it? That should not be done and this should not be done.
You can form a new religion tomorrow.
If anyone was to break up the Christian community, I would stand against it. I want to know whether Rahul Gandhi would. Or what Rahul Gandhi says, it's okay, it's politics before an election, break them up.
What are you talking about?
I am talking about the fact that the state government does not have the power. The state government does not have the power. Sabha, argue with me on fact, I'm willing to argue with you. I am asking you, Sabha, the state government does not have the power. The state government does not have the power.
Is there not?
The state government does not have the power.
They have done it at the wrong time, but there was a demand
Wrong
in
time.
Karnataka.
But why do you want to break the
There's
Hindu
no
community? I want to ask a
demand
basic
in
question.
Karnataka.
Why would you want to divide the Hindu community?
Presenting it as a communal thing.
I want to know, why would you want to break the Hindu community? Why would you want to divide any community? If you want to divide the Muslim community, I will stand against it. You want to divide the Christian community, I will stand against it. But you want to divide the Hindu community, I'll stand against it too.
I have said.
Why would you divide the Hindu community? Simple. Why? It's an experiment in a laboratory. Is it an experiment in a laboratory? Let's break them up. Let's break them up and let's see how many votes we get. You think people in this country will be quiet about it? What is going on here? I want an answer to this. What kind of politics is this? What kind of politics is this? How can you? What kind of politics? And I'll tell you one more thing, Sabha, listen. Listen, I don't know whether Rahul Gandhi understands the constitution. I'll tell you, Sabha, listen, let's be reasonable. I want to debate Rahul Gandhi on this. I want to debate with Rahul Gandhi on this. I am willing to enter into a one-to-one debate with Rahul Gandhi on this. I am willing to debate in a one-to-one with Rahul Gandhi on this. I want to know whether you will. Then I would tell Rahul Gandhi, Sabha, I am telling you one more thing. One more thing, listen to me. The National Commission for Minorities Act 1992 provides very clearly that minority for the purposes of an act means a community notified as such by the central government. Tanveer, listen to me. How can the state government make claims about working towards Lingayats getting a separate religious identity? You are fooling the Lingayats also.
That's what I'm saying.
You are fooling them. You are fooling the Lingayats. You are dividing the Hindus. What is your damn agenda?
They can only protect the rights of the minority.
You are fooling Lingayats. You are breaking the Hindu religion. Rahul Gandhi declare an agenda. Rahul Gandhi declare an agenda. Sonia Gandhi must declare an agenda. I want to know. This is not a game. The greatness of the Hindu community is that it becomes greater through several movements. But why is he playing games even with the Lingayat community? Why? What is the agenda? Agenda batao, Tanveer. Why?
Arnab, agenda तो simple है, vote bank politics. That's all.
तो वो है ना, बोलो.
That is the exact agenda.
तो
you understand, I understand. People.
बोलो vote bank politics, बोलो.
But one thing, one important question arises here.
No.
One important question arises here, Sambit ji, एक second. After giving the minority
नहीं तो आप लोग तो बहुत सेक्युलरिज्म करते रहते हैं ना. मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ तनवीर जी, ये देखिए कई डिबेट्स में मेरे साथ सेक्युलरिज्म के बारे में बात करते हैं, तो आप असली सेक्युलर है तो करिए प्रोटेस्ट, इस पे एक्सपोज कीजिए राहुल गांधी को, सोनिया गांधी को कहिए कि आप किसी और रिलीजन के साथ ये होने देंगे, नहीं होने देंगे.
मेरी पार्टी देवेगौड़ा was against it.
Why would you do it?
Kumaraswamy was against it. मेरी entire party was against it.
You admit today on record with me, Tanveer, I am 1 minute. You agree? You know Tanveer. I am asking you. You tell me today. You are on record now, and I don't care who you ally with after the Karnataka result. This is not about the Karnataka result. And you know why I am angry today. You want to know? Because you know what? As I said, we know this politics better. We do. Because when we were teenagers, we saw VP Singh Devi Lal. We know how people were fooled. Blood was spilled. Immolations happened. Indian against Indian, caste against caste. You think we need academic books to read all this? We saw it. We saw it on the streets of a university campus. So then, John, don't lecture me. I want to know मुझे agenda बताओ. वो भी वोट के लिए था, ये भी वोट के लिए है. बताओ क्या? What?
You don't listen to my lecture.
Agenda बताओ. John Dayal, agenda बताओ. What's the agenda? Say, is it about votes or not? Is Rahul Gandhi fooling the Lingayat community or not?
Ambedkar was taking every Dalit
too much of John Dayal. वो अभी जाके अंकल सैम को कंप्लेन कर देंगे आपके बारे में.
Oh, come on.
Don't shout at John Dayal. जाके अमेरिका में कंप्लेन कर देंगे.
Why would you fool any community, divide Hindus?
I'm a politician. आप तो शंकराचार्य नहीं है ना जो यहाँ हिंदू धर्म पढ़ाने आए हैं. बैठिए. बोलने दीजिए मुझे.
यहाँ पे क्या अंग्रेजी?
हाँ बैठिए. तो आप क्या शंकराचार्य हैं? मुझे हिंदू धर्म पढ़ाने आए हैं यहाँ पे. बैठिए. मुझे बोलने.
Stop it. No personal remarks. Focus on the issue.
अंकल सैम को कंप्लेन करिए.
Focus on the issue.
बोलने नहीं दिया. मुझे बोलने दीजिए. Arnab,
John, please,
acting innocent.
You're not a spokesman.
We are acting as if we do. John, just a second. All of we are acting as if we do not know to what extent the Gandhi family and the Congress in particular can go to procure power for Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi is a non-performing asset of the Congress party. I tell you, I warn you, Congress party will, even if they have to sell this country to project Rahul Gandhi as their leader, they will do that. That's the reason as to why Rahul Gandhi family had gone to meet the Chinese envoy while we were having the Doklam issue. That was the reason as to why Rahul Gandhi was sharing a platform very clandestinely with the Chinese people when we had Doklam. It is not for nothing. These people of Congress party and the Gandhi family, they can go into any nefarious conspiracies to see to it that they receive a projection. Dividing the Hindus is for them only tip of iceberg, a small thing, sir. They can go to, they divided this country. Partition was because Nehru could become the Prime Minister of India. Otherwise there would have been
Are the people of India, Sambit,
Sabha
so
people are not foolish.
that they are going to get divided so easily?
Sabha people are not foolish.
Then what do you keep on saying?
Know that you,
why do you keep on saying that nobody is divided, Arnab? And Sambit, nobody is divided.
I speak the truth, Sabha, and I am speaking candidly.
The community is a very confident, secure community.
Nobody is divided. No, Malvika is
Nobody
present
is
over
getting
here.
divided,
She is from Karnataka. Since ages, the Veera Saivas and the Lingayats had never been divided as they are today. You had segregated them. You have divided them. The Vasavas philosophy, which is a universal philosophy, and in fact the committee, the Nagmohan Das committee, which wanted 6 months in writing, and Siddaramaiah sends a letter that no 6 months, within 2 months you have to deliberate.
What is
why
this,
such hurry in a sensitive issue as this? Why such amount of hurry?
What's going on?
Because it is strictly political.
Smita in the middle, Smita.
They want to just win votes for what?
That is true. I'm afraid. No, Sabha is absolutely wrong to say that the Lingayat community is a confident community. Unfortunately, Sambit is right that what has happened is because of the political machinations that have happened, the Lingayats have got divided, the Veera Shaivas on one side, and within the Veera Shaivas also there is division. The Seers are divided, and not just that, not just are the Lingayats divided about this, the point is that the Lingayats have been made into a separate religion, and that has not been taken very easily by the Muslims and the Christians in the state. So everybody is upset about this decision, other than a political thing about 17% vote to be divided, because traditionally the Lingayats have tilted towards the BJP. So that has not suited, so hence divide the Lingayats. And by dividing the Lingayats, what happens is that you create bifurcation within all the communities. Now it's a question of even the Muslims and the Christians. Nobody is happy with this decision. I don't understand what Siddaramaiah
is
achieved just by a couple of shawls being put towards him.
One second.
One
point is here. See, the great reformer, philosopher, poet, Basaveshwara. One second. Tanveer, listen to me. And she mentioned Kalburgi. I would say 1 minute, yaar, 1 minute. 1 minute, listen to me, Tanveer. Tanveer, listen. Tanveer, this is not about Basaveshwara. This is about votes in 100 constituencies. You admit it. This is about votes in 100 constituencies, and if breaking the Hindu religion is a casualty of it, you do it.
Sabha and Tanveer should be protesting today.
Afraid of losing.
John Dayal, Sabha and Tanveer should be protesting today. As the senior journalist rightly said, that, the share of the Muslim community gets definitely divided. Because if at all you get another minority player in this, the minority community
I hate this political talk
from education. If at all you have another share,
no.
Exactly. It's not political.
Don't give me the political talk.
Please don't get there, sir.
Malvika.
Please, sir. Extremely unfair of you to pit one minority against the other.
Yeah, apologize.
This is what we are all about.
Apologize.
How can you pit one minority against the other and say you have a new government? Is that what this debate is about?
Do I talk to you like you're a Hindu? Do I say you are a Hindu from this caste?
Malvika, that's
what nonsense is this? Why am I subjected to this rubbish?
That is what you would
be
getting beneficiary, and that is exactly what BJP is doing, the brownie point. Was RSS not against
you are talking rubbish, whoever that is. Don't talk to me like that.
See, this is the point. We must realize. Now to everyone I'll say. To everyone I want to say.
Whoever I am,
yes,
I don't talk
yes, and I'd say this.
I don't like this.
I just want to read out one tweet. I just want to read out one tweet, and this tweet is from Anil LS, who says, I'm a proud Hindu Lingayat. We don't want any reservations or minority status. Stop divide and rule politics. Stop divide and rule politics. And he says the great Basaveshwara tried to unite people.
Stop divide and
No, stop divide. Don't. And this is not the politics we want. I say again, you don't break up the Muslim religion, Christian religion, Buddhist religion, Sikh religion, or the Hindu religion. There is enough space for all sects within all religions, and stop pitting religion against sect versus sect, because believe me, Rahul Gandhi, you will never end breaking the people, but nobody will trust you. I will take this debate forward once again. I thank you all joining me for debate number 1.